Hello, good morning. Here is one question: how to calculate work done. I read the question. In the following figure, 2 point charges Q1 and Q2 are placed at points B and D respectively in a rectangle ABCD of dimensions given. Find work done to move a charge Q3 from point A to C. In the shown figure, AB is D2 and BC is D1. Point charge Q1 is placed at point B and point charge Q2 is placed at point D, and a charge Q3 is to move from point A to C. In general, you can put the value of Q1 and Q2 if given, D1 and D2 if given, and Q3 if given. So in general, I want to explain it. So for this one, you have to mention the formula. W is equal to WA to C. Here you can write WA to C is equal to Q3, and you will put here VC minus VA. VC minus VA. Now question is, what is the value of VC? This you can make equation number 1. Find the value of VC and VA and put the value in the equation 1. Here VC will be equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, that is I write here K, and where is the point? Point is VC. So VC, that is potential at point C due to charge at point B and charge at point D. So in bracket you will put Q1 upon distance of BC, that is D1, plus Q2 upon distance of CD, that is D2, and VA also likewise, K times and this one potential at point B, here given Q1 upon distance AB, AB is D2, plus potential at point A due to charge Q2 at D, that is Q2 upon distance AD, and AD is here given D1. In this way, after finding the VC and VA, you can put the value in equation 1 and you will get the required result for work done. You may write it and calculate after that for given value of Q1 and Q2, D1 and D2, and also of Q3. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.